To Andrew's show, what is going on with OM token? This is the one that was down 90% over the course of the last few days, and now obviously we have to ask ourselves, has it found a bottom? So if you guys are new, appreciate it if you guys hit the like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification on your way in so you get notified every time I post a video or go live twice a week, Mondays and Saturdays at 11 p.m. Central Time. Right now, we have to ask ourselves, is it making another bear flag on the higher time frames, like on the 4-hour time frame? Are we making another bear flag? My answer to you right now is most likely not. I think for right now we have put in a local bottom. There's a big reason why I think that. The reason I really think that and believe that to be true, based on looking at the charts and not my own opinion, is the fact that the 4-hour time frame, yes, is not a beautiful bounce to the upside, but at the same time, your low is 36. You've already doubled from your low. And yes, you're down 90%. It lost a ton of value. I get that. But the 4-hour time frame is not overbought, even though you're up double from the bottom. So to me, the 4-hour time frame says that we still have more upside to go. I actually did take a long 82 cents, 83 cents, I don't know, one of the two, with a stop at 73 cents. So I put my stop loss right here, 73 or 74 cents. It was one of the two stop areas. You could choose whatever you want to do, not financial advice. But I did long this, so maybe I lose my money. Maybe I lose a little bit. It's not a huge trade. I only did 1x leverage because my stop loss was kind of steep. What you don't want to make is a descending triangle. Because we're in an uptrend, I think that's less likely to happen, but you have to have it on your radar, and you have to understand that is what a descending triangle would look like. So to me, that you making lower lows and lower highs in price action while you're making the same lows. And your measure move would be, yeah, that'd take you probably, if you're being conservative, back to 36. So to me, be cautious. That's the bearish scenario, right? The bullish scenario, and the reason I went short this right now is because the 4-hour time frame is oversold, or it's pretty oversold. So, or it's at 50 on the R side. So because of that, I would actually look at this more of a bull pennant, and because you had a flagpole up, this really is more likely to be a bull pennant, even though it's kind of making descending triangle vibes. I wouldn't say. I mean, I longed it, so I obviously wouldn't short this, and you could even say this is a bull pennant. So measure move would be $1.20. I think this is the most likely scenario. It's not the most beautiful bull pennant by any means, but your measure move, if you're being conservative, is about $1.20. So we'll see what happens. I'm in the trade. I'll book my take profit at $1.20. My stop loss is around 73, 74 cents. You choose whatever you want to do. That's just what I'm doing. You could even have a partial take profit at $1.20, take out the rest at $1.35, because that is also a massive resistance point from up here. That's not a bad idea either, but overall, that's what I'm doing, and we'll see what happens. We'll go from there. That's my plan, Stan. I'll see you guys in the next one. Right now, the trend, even though it doesn't seem like it, the trend is still down on the 4-hour time frame. Like, that's obviously a lower low. And even if you get all the way back up to, like, unless you get above $6, that's going to be a lower high in the 4 hours. So to me, the trend is down. You have to be cautious. So I am kind of going against the trend, but the smaller time frames do have an uptrend. The 4-hour time frame is still in a downtrend, but I opened up this trade on the half-hour time frame. The half-hour time frame, to me right now, has put in, that's a lower low. Then you put in a lower high. But now you put in a higher low, and then you put in, as of right now, that's still a lower high. So I'm still not convinced. This is a very high-risk trade. That's, again, why I only did 1x leverage. We'll see what happens. The trend, I can't say, is up right now. So I am definitely going against the trend right now by longing this, but I thought it was worth the chance because the 4-hour time frame still says that the dead cat bounce is not over yet. The 6-hour time frame is still very oversold. The 8-hour time frame is very oversold. The 12-hour hasn't even gotten started yet. The daily is extremely oversold. The 2-day doesn't look fantastic. 3 days very oversold. Weekly is oversold. Monthly doesn't have data yet. So to me, guys, you got to take a shot at it. I mean, the highest of time frames are oversold. Weekly's oversold. Daily's oversold. 4 hours just, at neutral at best. It's still, even the 4-hour time frame is actually only at 34 on the RSI. So even we still have like 2/3 of the way to go up on the 4 hours. So to me, even though the trend is down, I think it's worth taking a shot here. Not financial advice. I just think it's worth taking a shot to $1.20 or $1.35. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. With that being said, guys, cheers. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your Monday.